today we have with us is the Dji Osmo mobile.
And let's see if this thing is still capable in 2018. Let's find out. So what is the Osmo mobile then?
So Osmo mobile is a 3-axis gimbal, so you get very stable footage without any jerks. So let's see how to operate the Dji Osmo mobile.
So it's very simple. First of all, you have to download the DJI Go app.
And then connect your phone Bluetooth to the Dji Osmo.
And then relaunch the app.
So let's see how to operate the gimbal.
So in the side you get the power on and off switch. If you flick it one time, the gimbal will turn on. In the front side of the gimbal, you get a joystick to move the camera around. Beneath the joystick, you also get a shutter button to click photos. Beside that button, you also get a record button for your convenience. You also get two LEDs, one indicates the power and the other the Bluetooth connection to the phone. On the side of the gimbal, you get a tripod mount, and behind the gimbal you get a trigger and a 3.5 mm charging port. So like the DJI Osmo Plus, if you press the trigger 2 times it would center the camera, and if you press it 3 times it would turn into selfie mode. So the Osmo mobile has some tricks and tips up its sleeves. For example, you can make motion lapse, hyperlapse and time lapse. So it makes your footage more dramatic and more cinematic. So you can also shoot in landscape, portrait as well as underslung with this gimbal. So the Osmo also have one more cool feature, that is the face tracking. So in this feature you don't need an other camera operator or someone else to control your camera. Your phone automatically follows you wherever you go. So that's pretty awesome.
So what DJI claims that it has a 5 hours of battery life, but it gives around only 4 hours, and it has a charging time of 2.5 hours. So that's pretty awesome. Although the competition has immensely increased,
DJI still remained its #1 position in mobile gimbals. So let's test the stabilization of DJI Osmo mobile. In 3, 2, 1.
Everyone saying congrats, kid. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping. I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was handed to me. Every day I would practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit, put my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up, screaming fuck them all. Every single day of my life I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my rights from wrong. Hella shit on my mind, no time for the bullshit, boy, I gotta work hard.
Can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall. Catch your fall. When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel. When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no